Hi, it's Laura Milligan from the Bee Spot in Canton, Ohio, and I have a special guest with me today. And we thought it would be fun to do another episode of
Lucy and Laura
Live. So we have a fun card that we're going to do today. We are recording this early just for fun, and I am scheduling several posts before I have some outpatient foot surgery. So we just thought we got to go to a movie today. We had a fun day, and now we thought we would do a fun little video for you. So, Lucy, should we get stamping?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so I'm going to put the camera view down so that you can see the card that we're going to make. And this features the really cute Fish and a Wish bundle. And with this bundle, this is a punch bundle. And so, of course, I know we all love a good punch bundle. And the bundle, the stamp set, and the punch is $36, which is a great price. And we do love our punches. So we are going to go ahead and get started, Lucy. All right, so let's start. Here's your packet. Oh, I already gave you your packet. There's your packet. Okay. Silly Mrs. Milligan, huh? Okay, so we're going to start. So, Lucy, you have a piece like this in your packet right here, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is take this piece, and we are going to use Pear Pizzazz ink, and we're going to stamp some seaweed along the edge of our card, okay? All right, so
Because seaweed is fun.
do you like seaweed? So I know that you wanted to make this card for someone special.
I do.
I'm going to start stamping, and then you can stamp when I'm through, okay? So I'm just going to stamp some seaweed down
And I will do the same.
the side of my card, yes, and then Lucy, you may do the same. But why don't you tell our friends? Here you go. So now it's your turn. Can you move over a little bit and squeeze in here? Here's your piece. This is Pear Pizzazz ink. And you know, what do we say when we're inking up a stamp? Do you remember? Tap, tap, tap.
Oh, tap, tap, tap.
Yep, so go ahead and tap, tap, tap. And you're going to just put your seaweed right down here, right along that edge. That's good. Good tapping.
This way.
This on this side. Right along the edge. Yep. That looks good. So I did I did 4 of them. So if you want to do like part of one here and then just go right
Tap,
up the
tap,
side.
tap, tap.
I'm sure yours is going to be a little bit different than mine, and it's going to be super cute. Very good. Okay. Awesome. And I would do one up here too. We want to fill it. These fish are going to be swimming in the seaweed. Beautiful. You want to put one up here too?
Oh.
We'll just fill in this side like they're swimming right out of the seaweed. Okay. How's it look? Pretty good?
So far, so good.
Okay, good. You like a lot of seaweed, don't you? Pretty. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
All right. So the next thing we're going to do,
Seaweed is pretty.
sometimes it is, yeah. All right, so now we're going to take, actually, wait, let's take this. Can you find this little paper in your packet? This, we're going to use a stamp.
It looks like this.
Yep, that little piece. We're going to use this stamp to create some ocean waves.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
You like to swim, don't you? We were talking today about how you enjoy swimming. All right, so this is Balmy Blue ink, and I'm going to get this
Blue.
Balmy Blue, yep. So I'm going to just stamp
Tap,
this, tap, 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 and I'm just going to go across my cardstock here and create some waves. And like, you can stamp if you want to kind of fill it in a little bit, you can. So now it's your turn, Lucy. So you take your piece.
Tap, 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 tap.
You want to put it up here so because then people can see you. Let's put it right
Yeah.
there. Ooh, cool. Okay.
Ta-dam. Tap, tap, tap.
Cute.
Ta-dam.
Do you want to do one more? Is that good? One more, it looks like. Yep.
And now for the master piece. Dun 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 dun. Voila.
Looks great. Okay, now what I thought I could do is I'm going to take this blending brush. It's almost like a makeup brush. It's really soft. It has all these real teeny little bristles on it. And I'm going to swirl around and just pick up. I'm going to add some more color to my little strip of the ocean, okay? Whoops.
Is that mine or yours?
This is mine. Yours is right there. See it? Right there.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see. Okay, so we're just going to add some color so that this little sea piece looks really pretty. Would you like to try that?
Yes, please.
Okay, my dear. So you're going to just you just swirl it around like this and then just carefully rub it on your piece of cardstock. But go ahead and swirl up some ink first. Yeah, it's more like you can do it like this. Pick up that ink. Okay, great. And then go ahead and swirl it on your cardstock, and I'll help you by holding it a little bit. Yeah, looks good. And see, it's just filling in some of the white. You might want to get some more ink.
Oh.
Okay. Yep, that looks great. It just it just takes some of that white away and makes it look a little...
It makes it supple.
Subtle, Subtle, yep. Okay, you think that's good? Think that looks pretty?
Yeah.
Does that pass the test? Okay, all right. Now we are going to take this piece. Thank you, I'll put that away. We're done with our balmy blue. Okay.
Balmy pretty blue.
Isn't it pretty? I love balmy blue. Okay, now we're going to take this scrap piece of paper and we're going to stamp our fish.
Do I have one?
We're going to share this. There's enough on here for both of us to use. So we're using Calypso Coral. Isn't that a pretty coral color?
Yeah.
It reminds me of coral from the ocean. So what we're going to do is stamp our fish. And what I did was I used my punch to create a template. And then I knew where to position these stamps so that when I ink them up, I'm going to stamp right on here like this. Look how cute. Aren't they cute? And then I'm going to hold the punch, and I'll help you a little bit if you need with this. And then I'm going to just line these up like that, and so that I can punch them out. Let's make sure they're just where I want them. And that looks pretty good. So I'm going to punch that out, and there they are.
They're alive. Be alive.
Great. Okay, Lucy, would you like to do your fish now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. So let's see. Where did I put the fish? Here they are. Here they are. Okay, you go ahead and tap, tap, tap. And then we're going to put our card together. And we, of course, when Lucy's here, we always have to add some bling, right? Okay, go ahead. Oops. You know what? Why don't you do it one? That's okay, but I think we're going to cut part of the...
That looks cute.
You think it's okay like that?
Yeah.
Is that all right? Okay, doke. All right.
I mean, yeah, the big fish is the mother, and the little one is me.
Aw. It's you and your mom, huh? Okay, so can I help you punch this out? Is that all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me get it lined up. That looks pretty good.
Whee!
All right, there we go.
That's the fun part.
You like punches, don't you?
I
Okay,
do.
now we're ready to put the card together. So
Because it's like 3D.
So here's your fish. So what we're going to do is we will take our little ocean piece and attach that to the front of our card right on top of our seaweed. Okay?
Oh.
So I'm going to get my glue. I like these fish. I think they're pretty cute. So I'm going to just attach it right there like that. Okay, and you ready for some glue? Yeah, and you could put yours wherever you want your fish to be. Let's move yours up here because people are going to want to see how you put yours together. So can I put the glue on the back for you? Is that all right? Okay. All right. So then you go ahead and you put it wherever you want your water to be, your waves. I like how you did your waves. It looks like they're breaking like on the beach. Okay. And but we want to make sure you want it a little bit offset. That's fine. But you know what? I need to move it over just a titch. It can hang over this side, But if it hangs over too much, it'll go off the card, and then we won't be able to fit it in our
We
envelope.
don't want that. We only want a smidge.
That's right, just a smidge. Just a smidge.
And we have a fan already.
Mr. Charlie. Okay, now we're going to do our words. Oh, Charlie.
Sorry about that. Just Charlie Barton.
So I'm going to stamp sending well wishes. I'm going to put that right here, like this.
And I'm going to do love never fails.
Okay, and did we say who you wanted to make a special card for?
Not yet.
Why don't you share with everybody? Who are you making a special card for?
So I'm making this special card for my father.
And why?
Because my father is retiring
Mm-hmm.
from his job
Yes.
from Oatman Hospital.
Yep, and he has worked there many, many, many years. And so we had a fun party
I
this week.
I think it was 22.
22 years.
22 years now.
And so we had a fun party for him this week. And
We had a big party for him at Bender's.
mm-hmm.
And that was a lot of fun.
Yes.
And I hope you're watching this, Father, on Facebook.
Yeah.
I just want, if you are, I just want to say, I want to send a big thank you.
Yes. Okay. So Lucy picked for her dad, Love Never Fails. And then she's going to write a congratulatory message on the inside. So here's, oops, I didn't mean to get up for you. Go ahead. So it's going to go like here. You can decide where you want to put it, Lucy. Okay? Like I put mine below my ocean, but if you want to put yours up at the top, I'm sure you have a good idea. Where would you like to put yours? Aw, really pretty. Love never fails.
Oh, yeah.
That looks so cute.
Yeah, I like that.
I love it. Okay, so now we've got to add our fish. So we're almost done. So for our fish, remember these?
What I call it, wishing for a fish.
Wishing for a fish. Did you ever have a pet fish, Lucy?
I did actually.
Oh my goodness.
And after the book of Dr. Seuss, we called our pet fish redfish, bluefish.
Oh yeah.
And then we had a snail named Sneely.
We had a fish one time when my girls were little. Okay, do you remember how to take the backs off of these dimensionals?
Oh, yeah, our nail.
We push it in the middle.
We
pop
push
it up.
in the middle.
And you can decide where you want your fish to be, but they probably want to be in the water or near the water, right? They probably don't want to be
drowning, no.
Okay. They're just cute. Aren't they cute? There we go.
No.
It's like a school of fish. You can put yours wherever you want.
This is a baby fish.
Mm-hmm. Aw, cute.
Ooh. No, not a baby fish. It's a medium-sized, fun fish.
Okay. And where are you going to put the big fish? And while Lucy's putting her fish on her card, I'm going to go ahead and attach this to my card base with my glue.
And this is a mama fish.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So my mama fish
I'm going to put my card front right on there like
will
that.
be right over here.
Super cute. Yeah, so this is a card for your dad, and it has, maybe that's your mom and you on there. How about that?
Yeah.
He'll love that.
Ooh, or this is my dad fish,
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
and I'm the little one.
Yes. Okay, so we're just going to attach this to the front.
Father,
and then,
daughter, fish time.
Mm-hmm. Can I put your glue on for you?
Yep.
All right, and then you can put it, I'll help you put it on your card. Ready?
Oh, yeah.
Do you want to help me? We just want to get it kind of centered on the card like that. And see, look, this fits perfectly right there. Remember when we scooted it over a smidge? And so it's perfect now. Okay, do you think we're done or do you think something's missing?
Oh, now I know. Glitter.
Some kind of bling. So
What
look
kind
at
of
this,
bling?
Lucy. I have the coolest,
Ooh, yeah.
sparkly, fun, bright colored, these are called glossy dots.
Yay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Take Your Pick tool, which I love to use.
Well, do you know what time it is? Oh, I know what time it is. It's sparkle o'clock.
It is sparkle o'clock. You are right. So what I'm going to do, I thought these blue ones, they made me think of fish bubbles. Like
Ooh,
the fish
yeah.
are swimming. So what I did, I'm going to take a big one, and these are kind of hard to push because they're stuck on this sheet really well. I'm going to do a big one and a medium one and a small one, and these are the bubbles for my fish. So there's that. Isn't that cute? And so
And now it's my turn.
and now it's your turn. So let's put yours right here. And what would you like to do for your bling?
Yellow and pink.
I knew it. Okay. Do you want to do it? I can help you, but I think you have to push a little bit firm.
Oh.
Yeah, we'll get the stamps out of the way.
Yep.
Okay. It's kind of pushing away. Good job. Here, wait, let me help you. Let's go this way.
Whoop.
Whoops. I'm
Oh.
left-handed, so I got to use my left hand. There we go.
Okay.
All right, now you put that wherever you want. Your fish have colorful bubbles. Okay. You want to do a pink one?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you know what, try this one up here. It might be easier to get off. Just push away. Whoops, push. Got it.
Yay.
So cute. And then do you want to put one down here by Lucy Fish?
Oh, yeah.
All right, what color for her?
Purple.
I knew it. I knew it.
Which is my favorite color.
I knew it. All right. Okay.
Ah.
Should be okay. I think you can get it. Yep. Adorable.
Ta-da.
All right. Good job, Lucy.
Fun.
Is that fun? It's fun to stamp, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to give you this to hold a minute.
Well, I thought
Oh, you want to do another bling?
blue.
Okay.
I thought.
All right. Big or small? Small, medium, or large? There's 3 sizes. Okay, good job. All right.
There we go.
Okay. So I'm going to change our view now so that our friends can see us. Here we are again. So why don't you hold up your card so everybody can see.
Happy retirement, Dad.
Happy retirement, Mark.
I love you. And all to our fans on Facebook.
Thank you for joining us today. And Lucy, thank you for stamping with me. This was really fun. Will you come back again sometime and stamp with me?
Yes.
All right. Well, so
And I bid you a fishy day.
a fishy day. So thank you for joining us. And until next time, I hope you have time to be creative today. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye.